I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to give you an overview of the term recess and its two meanings. So the first reference to the term recess is when you are fitting wall to wall within a recess over your doors or windows. And the second meaning is ceiling recess fitted, so a channel is grooved out of your ceiling to accommodate a curtain track. So the curtain track is concealed within the ceiling, and then you typically have floor to ceiling curtains for a really sophisticated polished look. So we just talk about the wall to wall recess fitting. If you are looking for a curtain track to fit within wall to wall, we recommend that you take your wall to wall measurement and deduct 1 centimetre, so 10 millimetres for a hand drawn or corded track. So this is just to allow a little bit of room for manoeuvre, to ensure that you can get the track within the wall to wall space. If you are opting for a motorised track, we recommend that you take your wall-to-wall measurement and deduct 3 centimetres, and this is just to ensure enough room is allowed for you to get your hand round the side of the motor and to put the curtains on the track. If you're looking for a curtain pole solution, many of our curtain pole ranges offer a recess bracket, and these screw into the side walls and then your pole sits within those. There are all the recess bracket dimensions on the website, so if you are having a pole cut to size, you should be able to see what deduction to make for the recess bracket. However, if you aren't sure, please do get in touch with a member of the team and they'd be delighted to help. If you're looking for a ceiling recessed solution, so the track going into the ceiling, the Silent Gliss 6243 is our best-selling recess track. So a nice slim profile that sits in the ceiling, and then you have that lovely, elegant, sophisticated floor-to-ceiling look. There are some tracks that come with a recess profile. So this is the Silent Gliss 6465. So again, a nice slim track, and then this is the recess profile that goes into the ceiling. We then have the Silent Gliss 3870, which is a corded track. The 6870 is the hand-drawn equivalent, and again this sits within a recess profile in the ceiling. If you're looking for a motorised solution, we sell the blind space track trim, and this again fits into the ceiling, and then the motorised track fits within the recess profile. If you're looking for a flush ceiling fit, this may be fitting within your recess, so wall to wall, but you just want a flush ceiling fit, we'd recommend one of the Silent Gliss tracks that use the 3825 clamp bracket. These give a lovely flush fit to the ceiling. This is the Silent Gliss 6840, which is one of our best-selling flush fit ceiling tracks. This is shown in the antique bronze here, but it is available in white, black and a variety of other colours. Or we'd recommend the Silent Gliss 6010, which is available in black and white, and it's just a slightly slimmer profile to the 6840, but that lovely rounded profile. Both of those tracks use the clamp 3825 brackets. If you've got any questions or need any help at all and aren't quite sure of your requirements, then please do get in touch and a member of the team would be delighted to help. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk or call us on 01590 615 775 and a member of the team would be delighted to help. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.